If you want to create your own focus mode on iPhone 17, then you have to just simply open settings, scroll down to focus, and then in these focus settings you should be able to find this plus in the upper right corner. Over here you can choose a focus to get started, so you can choose one of these predetermined, pre-made, or you can go for a custom one and you can set it up as you wish. So let's say I'm gonna set up an example one. We can choose symbol or the logo, I guess. Let's go next, and then we can customize our focus. So here we have the intelligent breakthrough and silencing, which is also available in every other mode. And this option allows you to be interrupted with notifications that are considered as prioritized or important, and every other notification will not be interrupting you. We can also choose people and apps that will be silenced, so you won't hear notifications if you receive them from the select list of people or from selected apps. You can customize the lock screen and the home screen so that, for example, you can immediately tell if this new mode is immediately enabled, or rather it is whether it is active or not, but also to, for example, limit some distractions. And in addition to that, we can create a schedule, so we can make our new mode automatic, so it can automatically turn on and off based on smart activation. So the phone can by itself decide when it can be enabled or disabled, or you can create your own schedule and make it based on time, location, or the app usage. And we also have custom filters, so we can customize how our apps and the device behave when this focus mode is enabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.